Fantom at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above our significant key area of support above the 0.9516 and above the 0.8929. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support. We also have some fundamental reasons as to why we are seeing that aggressive bounce on the Sonic chart, or that is on the Fantom chart, because of the Sonic launch, where we have a transition from Fantom to the Sonic mainnet, which is happening this December, and that is one of the reasons as to why we are seeing higher prices here on the Fantom chart. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, and also the significant breakout target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now grab up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box. Starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first discussing this Elliot structure right here on the charts in blue, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, where you can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this Elliot count 1. And after we got our high, we got a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. Then we got a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and finally saw another bounce to the upside in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3 in a move that gave me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 1.3255, an area that we have now fully maximized. And since we still have that bullish momentum and also some good fundamental news that can result to higher prices, there are high chances that we can easily see an extension of this Elliott wave count 5 to the next target area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.6327. So in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing higher prices manage to break above key areas of resistances, there are high chances that we can get back above the 1.6327 in the next coming hours. We also need to have in mind that since we have fully maximized the minimum target areas, there are high chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of these wave 5. And that means that we have now completed, there are chances that we could have now completed this 5-wave structure to the upside. And that means that we have completed an even larger Elliott wave count 3 that I have been tracking here on the charts. And if that is the case, in the next coming hours, we can easily start a bit of a sell-off to the lower side in the formation of this Elliott wave count 4, whose minimum pullback target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the third wave down here to this high that we have at the moment, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is between the 1.0518 and the 0.953, the area that I have marked here on the charts. So in case of any sudden pullbacks, this is the area to pay attention to. So in case of any sudden pullbacks, this is the area to pay attention to. And in that corrective structure, I will also be expecting to see an ABC corrective structure playing out over here, having the wave C fully maximizing our minimum target area. And once we have a low in place in this wave 4, we can expect a bounce to the upside in the formation of this Elliott wave count 5. So that is the price action that I am expecting here on the Fantom chart, on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.